Good morning everyone. This is teacher Sidra from the Wave Private School. This is the part 3 of video 7. Here we have a new topic, that is translating shapes. This is chapter number 17, position and movement. Here we will try to solve the exercise 17.3 in chapter number 17, and you will find this topic on the course book page 166. Now first of all we will see what are the translating shapes. When you translate a shape, you move it at a given distance. First of all you will move it in any image, and then you can move right or left, up or down. All the points on the shape must move the same distance in the same direction. So these 3 points will help us to translate a shape. Now let's try to solve our exercise 17.3. As you can see here in question number 1, there are 4 parts are given. So what is the question in A? Question number 1, A part. 2 squares right, 2 squares down. We have to draw a shape after translation. So it's up to you from where you will start your point. You can start from here, you can start from here. I will start from here. 2 squares right, 1, 2, and 2 squares down, 1 and 2. So from here you can draw in this way. As you can see here, this is the answer. 2 squares right and 2 squares down. Same like that, 3 squares left, 4 squares up. If you will start from here, this point, 3 squares left, 1, 2, 3, 3 squares left and 4 squares up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point will go here and you will draw same like that. Same like that, the question number C. In question number 1, C part, 4 squares right and 1 square up. You can start from here and you can start from here. It's up to you. In both the way we will see. 4 squares right, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 square up. So this point will go here in this way. And if we will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 square right and 1 square up. So this point will be here. So draw from here in this way. So this is the answer, same like that. As you can see here, these are the answers of question number 1. In part D, 1 square left, 3 squares down. If we will start from here, 1 square left here and 3 squares down, 1, 2, 3. So this will be come down. In this way you can draw from here. If we will start from here, then 1 square left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3. This point, this corner will come here and you can draw the shape same like that. As you can see here, same like that. So this is the shape of, this is the translation image. After translation, this is the image. So in this way you can translate a shape. Now we will see question number 2. The diagram shows 3 triangles. Describe the translation that takes triangle A to triangle B. Here A, B, C, 3 triangles are given and you have to, after translation, you have to count that how many squares are given. So translate the shape triangle A to triangle B. Triangle A to triangle B, we have to given the answer. If we will start from this point, then 1, 2, 3, we can say that 3 squares left, as this is the, this is the right side. So we can say that 3 squares right and 1 square down. So A and B have the translation, that is 3 squares right and 1 square down. In part B, triangle B to triangle C. B to C we have to given the translation. if we will start from this point, or it's up to you if you will start from this point. If I will start from this point, then 1 2 3 3 squares left and 1 2, this corner will come here, so it will be equal to 1 2 3 3 squares left and 1 and 2 2 squares down. So this is the answer of B, that's 3 squares left and 2 squares down. In C part, triangle A to triangle C, from A to C we have to given the translation. As you can see here, these both are in the vertical angle are same. So we can say this point will come here. 1, if this point will be here, then 1 2 3, 3 squares down if you will start from here. If you will start from here, same like that, 1 2 3, 3 squares down. Here no right or left because they are all in same direction. So we can say that A and C are 3 squares down, have translation shape. Is it clear now? Now let's try to solve our exercise question number 3. Copy the diagram. Translate shape A 2 squares right and 1 square up. Label the image B. 2 squares right and 1 square up. It's up to you how you will start. If you can start from here, then 2 squares right, 1 2 2 squares right and 1 square up here. So this point will be in this way, and this point, if you will start from this point, then 2 squares right, 1 2 and 1 square up. So this corner will come here in this way, and just draw the shape same like that. So this is the translation of given question A, and this image will be the B. As you can see here, this is the answer of B, 2 squares right and 1 square up. So it's up to you that from where you can start the image. Translate shape B, 3 squares right and 2 squares up. Now you have to translate this shape B and 3 squares right and 2 squares up. If we will start from this corner, 1 2 3, 3 squares right and 2 squares up, 1 2. So image will be here, this corner will come here in this way. And if we will say start from this point, 1 2 3, 3 squares right and 2 squares up, 1 and 2, and this will equal to, this point will come here in this way. Now is it clear? And this is the image of C. We can say this is the image C. From B to C, it is the translation. Now what is the C part? Describe the translation that takes shape A to shape C. This is the A and this is the C. So we have to find the translation A to C. So if we will start from this point, this corner, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 squares right and 1 2 3, this corner here. So we can say that 3 squares up, 5 squares right and 3 squares up. So answer is 5 squares right and 3 squares up. This is the translation between A and C. Clear it now? Now question 4 and 5 you will do at your homework. So here we solve 3 questions. I think is it clear? So it is the end of our lecture.